Okay, so the radio is in. Everything seems to be working. As you can see, it's a good fit. I have installed the DAB aerial as per instructions. I ground off the paint just to make sure there's a really good connection between the copper stick-on and the steel chassis. I have put in an SD card inside there with about 12 gigabytes of music and about 10 movies, and I have installed the radio works. You can find channels. Just hold your hand on the button you want it to go to, and that's where it stays. I have changed the icon. You literally just press and choose your model. So depending on what you are, you can therefore choose what kind of vehicle you have. I chose a Toyota, as that's what I have. Okay. Bluetooth connects to my phone as required. It allows you to make calls. DVD. Excuse the selection of genre, it was my son's choice. You can put on subtitles, take off subtitles, stop it, pause it any time. Excuse the cat. What else can you do? The Android, you can install loads of apps. So I've installed some basic ones. When you put the GPS in, there's a software to test to tell you how strong your signal is, so accurate to within 7 feet. Seems to work okay on the roads, probably works better when I'm away from the buildings. Android. I've installed TomTom's sat-nav on here. It would require a 3G connection or a hotspot connection to make the data work for traffic, but it does work for planning a trip, as you can see. It runs in the background, so if you have a movie on and you have that on, you'll still be able to hear that.
Arrive at your destination at 1649.
I have installed music. On the SD card, you just put all your folders in. And you can literally select your music, go back to your sat nav, keeps playing music. You can watch videos. So these are just standard videos on the actual . So these are all different movies that I have. You can press the mute button anytime when you're driving. You can adjust the settings of your music or choose what it is. Go back to DVD if you like. Android. You can put whatever apps you want from Play Store on there. I installed some of my own ones. I can't use the multi-screen, multi-display screen because I don't have another Android connected to. But it is currently connected to my Wi-Fi in my house, so it does all the software updates to all the apps. You can pull it down and adjust the brightness of the screen. As you can see, it's connected to my Wi-Fi. It still has the sat-nav going. Setup, Wi-Fi, data usage, all the standard stuff. I've installed my Google accounts on there. Car settings. There are some settings you can add on about when navigation works, etc. I guess those are the main aspects of it. The other things worth mentioning is I have put a camera in the back, reversing camera. Although it's just sitting in my boot, I still need to put it in. But as soon as I turn on the camera, it goes straight to the camera, which is in the boot. As you can see, the cat is looking at it. And as soon as the camera turns off, back to normal operation.
Take a picture of the pitch. They wouldn't let me take a picture of the pitch.
And even when something is running, you can just go back to whatever screen you like.
When has the pitch been a state secret? That was just ridiculous. I know what it was about. It was something to do with the fact that they played.
Hopefully that's a useful review to you guys who want to replace your radios. I'd say the fit is good. The general software is good. I did try and put in a camera on the front for recording within traffic, but I think I ordered the wrong one, so that I can't necessarily test. The one other thing that's worth mentioning is the DAB. So if you click on this Navi button, the DAB is,
A Dasveld Auto used Volkswagen has to pass 142 official checks.
as you can hear,
Unofficial. Come to the Dasveld Auto event from 13th
it's not
to
that
30th
great.
of April at your local Volkswagen retailer, where you can get 2 years warranty.
Some channels are good, some channels are weak. I think it shows the signal up here. So, of all the aspects, I would say the DAB radio is probably the weakest part, if that's what you're selecting it for. But if you put all your music on an SD card and put it in your car, as I have done, then you don't even need to rely on these channels so much. You can hear that normal radio sounds much clearer, albeit at a different level. So there you have it. It's a good fit. The connections in the back connect as expected. Most of the software works. Let's hope it lasts a couple of years or more. Thanks and good luck.